this way. And thank you so much for joining me on Eric's weather forecast. I'm your host, Eric. I just wanted to let you know, sorry that you can't see me today, but as long as there's a forecast, that's the main thing. Just wanted to let you know we do have some strong thunderstorms that are moving through parts of southeast Michigan. Actually, they've been somewhat strong in the Memphis area, so if you live out there, there have actually been some stronger storms that have been on the strong side. So if you live out in that area, be careful. It's actually a little section between, actually, these storms will be moving into St. Clair County, and they'll be headed in that direction. But they've been quite strong coming across southeast Michigan, so people that live in the Memphis area have actually had the worst of it. And there have been some very powerful thunderstorms that actually are moving through. So just be careful. There's going to be some loud boomers that are going to be moving in your direction. Then we've got some more thunderstorms that are developing in Oakland County. So if you live in Rochester Hills and beyond, thunderstorms are developing over there. And then hold on one second. And then if you live in Farmington Hills area, you've got thunderstorms developing over there as well. So we'll kind of keep an eye on all of this activity that's been going on. It's just, we'll kind of keep an eye on that. So all of these thunderstorms are going to be moving out of the Memphis area, and they will be moving into St. Clair. So you can see which way it's going to be headed. So it's going to go into St. Clair County, and then from St. Clair County it is out of here. So over in the Flint area, there are thunderstorms developing over there as well. So we'll kind of keep an eye on this. It was kind of a, what do you want to call it? It was actually a surprise to hear that big bang of thunderstorms, a lot of rain with it, but it took me by surprise of what it was, and realized it was thunderstorms moving through. So just be careful if you're going to be out today. There's going to be showers and thunderstorms, so just be careful, because there's a lot of action going on for today. So please be careful if you're going to be going out today, especially. So just thought I'd let you know. Over in the Livonia area, Westland area, there are more thunderstorms that are developing, and those will be headed into a little section of Oakland County and then into Macomb County. So it looks like these storms are going to be headed towards Macomb County, so Warren, Fraser, Sterling Heights area, and a good half of Macomb County will get it. Macomb Township, you guys have a little action going on over there. And then here comes more action over here that's in Oakland County, so we'll keep an eye on that. And we'll let you know. I don't know what that is, but I'll have to look that up and see some indicator up there. So that must mean something. I'm going to try and see if I can figure out what is that up there. Okay, I guess I'm going to have to look that up so I can figure out what is that and what does that mean. Because we may have a problem. I'm looking to figure out what that means. Let me look and see if I can figure out what that is. One second. I gotta charge this phone in a minute. Okay. So you can see the thunderstorms are moving through, and I gotta plug this phone in. It's gonna go dead. We'll keep an eye on the situation, and I will let you know in just a couple of minutes what's going on here. Just watching for more activity to develop. So that should be very interesting in a little bit. Let me see if I can push in here. I'm trying to get situated. Okay, so let me go back to this. So we have all these thunderstorms. Okay, I'll have to look at that in a moment. That's a weather report, so I'll have to look at that and see what's going on with that. So we have thunderstorms in Oakland County, like I just said, and then they will be approaching. All of this is going to be moving through Macomb County, and then there's some action going on over in Macomb Township. So I guess I'll keep an eye on that and see where it's going. So all of these thunderstorms right here are going to continue to push through, and then if you live in the Flint area, you'll have some action that's going to be pushing in your area, and then we've got something that's going to develop here. Looks like probably some more rain, and that is headed towards the Lansing area. We'll kind of keep an eye on that one. But the bulk of all the energy is all in here. All the action that was in, like in the Memphis area, Macomb area, had a lot of this action going on, and then there's some going on in Flint. So it looks like Wayne County is going to see some action as well, and it looks like Rose Point, Woods, you guys are going to have some action in this as well. So we will keep track of this and continue to watch it, but that was really interesting weather right there. So yeah, okay, my phone is charging. I thought for a minute we were going to have problems. Alright, so I'm going to look to see if there's any reports while we're waiting. A lot of lightning with this as well. I want to tell you that. Okay, I'm just going to check to see if we've got anything going on. I don't see any warnings or anything, so we will be alright. I just see that we've got some alerts. So I'm looking to see if we've got any. Just to be on the... Okay, let me see. We do have something. One moment. See if I can pull this up. Here we go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and read this wherever it went to. Hold on. I just had it. Okay. Let me see if I can even pull this. Come on. Alright, there we go. Just a sec. Alright, I got it. Okay, at 12:51, a strong thunderstorm was located over Armada or near Richmond, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles an hour with pea-sized hail are possible with this storm. This storm will be near Richmond at 12:55 p.m. Memphis 105. It's actually pushing out of the Memphis area. Emmett at 1:15. Lakeport at 1:55 p.m. And then other areas impacted by the storm will include North Street, Goodalls, Grace Center, Brookway, Smiths Creek, Wadhams, Riley Center, Fort Gratiot, and Allenton, Michigan. So those are the areas that will be impacted by this storm. So I just wanted to give you a heads up on that. So please be careful if you guys are going to be out today. Alright? That's the main thing. And special weather statement for St. Clair, Michigan, Macomb, Michigan, and Lapeer. So just wanted to tell you that it was issued at 12:52. It does expire in 38 minutes. So the special weather special statement for St. Clair, Macomb, and Livingston County. There is at least 38 minutes remaining for the special weather statement. So please be careful, but it was issued at 12:52 for July 13th, 2021. So, yeah. Those thunderstorms are moving out, and we have some more that are going to be rolling in. So we get a little bit of a break and more come in. So here's that line of strong thunderstorms we were just talking about that we had to deal with, and they are pushing on through, and we've got some more action that is on the way. We've got thunderstorms that are pushing out of Oakland County, moving into Macomb County. So Macomb Township, you guys will be a part of this action, and I'm going to have to wait and see if the same places get hit again. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Don't know yet. And over in Livonia, Westland, thunderstorms as well. And in Farmington Hills area, all of this area in Oakland County, you have thunderstorms. These thunderstorms, so you guys know, this is not widespread action that we have going on. It's not widespread or anything like that. So these are like in certain parts in Michigan, but there are a lot of lightning strikes. So just want to give you a heads up. Be careful if you're going to be outside. So I'm looking at my phone to see what cities that will get hit with more action. So I've got all the coverage that you need. We will make sure that you guys get the correct. I wonder if I can make this bigger. I can't even do that. Okay, it's alright. Alright, so this area is going to get thunderstorms according to what the radar is saying. So looks like the thunderstorms, if you're in Romeo, you guys have thunderstorms on the way. Washington Township, thunderstorms are going to be rolling through. And yeah, we've got more on the way. So even though we're getting a break from these thunderstorms, we've got more coming. So it's not over yet. we'll keep an eye on it. And it looks like there may be some that might even approach Richmond. Uh, so I will let you know soon. I'm watching for this to see if we get anything interesting. So those were some big boomers we had for a little bit there. Big boomers. Alright, I'm still here. I'm just sanitizing my hands. Alright, I'm still here. I'm going to continue to do a live broadcast. So, just give you a heads up. I'm going to stay with you as long as necessary until these thunderstorms calm down and these storms finally exit Michigan. And once that the activity calms down here, I think we're going to be okay. I know we'll be alright. Alright, I'm watching to see what's going on here. So Romeo, you guys are going to have thunderstorms moving towards you guys. Washington Township, you guys already have thunderstorms that are coming across town there. So be careful if you're out in Washington Township. And I'm waiting to see if there's any that will be approaching the same areas again. So I'm just looking here to see if there's anything else. And the last update was at 1:30, and it looks like it's now saying rain on and off. So these are just in scattered areas. So that means that everybody won't get it, just in certain spots. And I guess we'll just wait and see what happens. I'm going to look here and see. Just a second. Just making sure there isn't anything coming our way. If we do, I'll let you know. I'm waiting to see what the radar's going to do. I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up. So Romeo, you guys are going to get rain again, unfortunately. It should be moving in your area anytime, is what the radar is saying. In Washington Township, you guys have some action going on. It's raining out where you guys are at. Sterling Heights. Let me see about Sterling Heights to see. That's kind of strange. But you guys will be having some action moving your way. All of the stronger stuff is pushed on through Macomb County, and it's got a lot of lightning with it, so I want to give you a heads up. I'm looking. There is, okay, It's this action right here that I'm looking at, and it looks like it might hit Richmond. I'm going to wait and see if it hits Richmond. We might have some more action again. So let's cross our fingers and hope that it passes. But I don't know. Not a, okay, so this, okay, now let's talk about this. This batch of thunderstorms right here, that is going to go northeast. So it's actually going to move. I don't even know what happened to the thing now. So these thunderstorms are going to move to the northeast. So they're going to track northeast. And then there is another round coming through this area from Livonia into Oakland County, and then it's going to go up through Sterling Heights into Macomb Township, and then after that we'll see where it goes. And it looks like there's a special weather statement for that area. Let me see if I can figure out what that is. I'm trying to figure out where the special weather statement is. It looks like St. Clair County special weather statement, and that does go into, looks like, let me see if I can figure out what that special weather statement is all about. I gotta see if I can find it though. It's a new one. Wherever they put it. I think this is the same one. Hold on one second. Alright, I'm gonna go back. Okay, the special weather statement for St. Clair, Macomb, and Lapeer County, 25 minutes until the special weather statement expires. So St. Clair, Macomb, and Lapeer County special weather statement expires in 25 minutes. That's what I was looking for, to see how many minutes you guys have left. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the rain, because it's gone. We've got the sunshine. I believe the sun is back out again. Yes, it is. The sun is out again. It looks like these storms may pass the Memphis area. We'll have to wait and see about that. So I have no idea. We'll see. Alright. Alright, I will check it again in a few minutes to see how long we have. So 25 minutes to go until that special weather statement expires for St. Clair, Macomb, and Lapeer County. 25 minutes to go, and that special weather statement will expire soon. So just hang in there. But the rough stuff is gone. So, alright, well, we got a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, other areas that have special weather statements are Socola, Bay, Michigan. You guys have a special weather statement for about 55 minutes in Socola and Bay County. You guys have a while to go yet until your special weather statement expires, so be careful out there. Until these storms move out of your area, stay inside. I just advise that. Stay inside until these storms pass and the special weather statement comes down. It's just telling you which way these storms are going to go. And we've got some more action developing out in the Lansing area. We'll have to watch that. And then Flint, you guys have some action going on. Still, some stuff is pushing through. So, be careful. And we will keep an eye on these thunderstorms. And it looks like, according to the radar, it is saying that Richmond, you're going to get hit again with another line of showers and thunderstorms. So that will be headed in your direction. Memphis, I think you'll get a break. We'll have to wait and see. We'll let you know on that one. For right now, you get a break. There's nothing to worry about. It went back to sunshine, so we don't have to worry about that for right now. You guys will get a break. So the next line, I'll show you. This line right here, I'm just looking, will be the next roll. Romeo, you have a line of storms that are pushing through, and it will be going through Richmond, and it looks like Memphis, you might get hit again. According to Storm Tracker, you will be getting some action, it looks like. Not right now, but it will be on the way very soon. We'll let you know. You're getting a break from the action, and real soon you'll be getting more. Yep, it's moving. We'll let you know. There is rain coming. There is another line of showers and thunderstorms that will be headed in your direction. So that special weather statement continues for those counties. So just hang on tight. So even though it's sunny out, that's not going to last very long. Well, it will be out for a little bit, but once this next line of storms come in, the sunshine is gone. I want the sun out, but I don't mind the rain. Okay, and then we've got this stuff, some action going on over here in the Lansing area. Still watching that. And then seems like it's going to be a while before all this stuff that's in the Flint area moves on out. It's still in that area. Just it's pushing its way out. We'll have to wait on that. So I will be getting off in just a few minutes, and I will be coming back on again. I will be back on in just a little bit. Stay tuned for the second half, and I'll see you guys in just a little bit. And I'll be back at, I'm going to take a break, and I'll be back shortly. Thank you. And don't forget to continue to watch. I'll have more live streaming and more live coverage on these storms coming up. So please remember, please subscribe to Eric's weather forecasts. And I'll be back. Please remember to subscribe to Eric's weather forecast for the latest storm developments. I've got it all covered right here. We'll be back with more coverage on Eric's weather forecast. We'll see you in a few minutes.